Yes! I have a newfound respect for Jordan RC Drift Talk. This took me ages. All I can say is this LDRC 2801 Volkswagen Polo R is very good for the money. $35.99 US dollars. Come on. Love it. So for $34.99, what do you get? Well, exactly what you see here. Nothing more, nothing less. The controller is incredibly basic. No other switches other than the steering. You can adjust it slightly back and forth. As you can hear, the car is still on. It does come with a second set of tyres. These are the ones that come fitted, tyres and wheels. These are the more grippier version. And as you can see, I have the more sort of drift tyres on that. Such a diddy little car, 128 spare screws for your tyres there. Listen, I got this car a long time ago, 3 months ago, I believe. And I have to say, I am very impressed with it considering the price point. It is, as you can see, proportional steering. It's a drift car. They market it as a drift car, so it would be better if it had a little bit more steering lock to it, but it does just fine. And as what they've said, actually on the advertisements, it's for teaching you how to drift. It's for getting you across the line. You can see it is four-wheel drive. There is no differential. It is exactly motor, drive shafts, straight into the wheels. But that's what makes it so good, because it is that simple. One negative I have, and that's that there is no on-off button, but there is a very, very huge battery compartment. You also get the nice little lights on it at that. $34.99 lights as well. What? The battery compartment is because they've just released a 7.4 volt version. I believe it's with the same ESC and the same motor. So if you had a 7.4 volt battery, 2S obviously, and you had the right connector, you could technically run this. Don't quote me on that. I am going to test that myself. Now, it's working absolutely fine now. I had a bit of an issue. Sorry, Maker Fire. It seems that when I unboxed this late at night, just before bed, very tired, somehow, I do not know how, I was putting the screw back in here, and somehow I managed to put it down there, and I don't even remember it. Didn't even notice until I took it apart to find out what was going on. It's all my fault. So my apologies, but it does mean that now I have the time to test the car. And I really do like it. It's very detailed. It comes with, I'll put on screen now, the plastic parts, the wing mirrors. I can't remember about the spoiler. I don't think the spoiler comes off. That you just glue them on yourself. I just use super glue, to be honest with you, but be very careful with it because super glue can leave a little stain on it. So I used it with a small toothpick. In general, ladies and gents, it's exactly what it says on the tin. It drifts. You saw that at the start. It took me forever to do that. Before I pressed record on the camera, I did it, went straight in, right in the center. Of course, then when I press record on the cameras, there you go, it is what it is. I have to say, it is just for the money. I can't process the fact that this is just $34.99. A little bit more for those that have the tax added on, but still. If it was me and I was buying this today, I would definitely go for the 7.4 volt because I think it's $8 US more expensive. So go for the new 2025 model. But in general, it is great. Usually I would say go over to John Robinson RC, the main channel, and watch us driving it, but I'm going to just record it here and show the footage here because why not? You want to know, is it any good? So I'll do some more driving and then we'll come back.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test.
So as you can tell right off the bat, it has zero suspension, none, nada at all. So it feels every bump, and as you can see, I have that here in the kitchen table. Truth be told, this car needs a little bit more space than this, so let's go onto the kitchen floor.
They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.
You see what I mean when I talk about just a little bit more steering lock? If it had just a little bit more, it would make all of this a lot easier. It can slide absolutely fine, but the surface has to be smooth. Would it work on a carpet? Let's see. Instant grip. Does that answer the question? I believe it does. Ooh, power slide, baby. Yeah, definitely not for carpets. The lack of suspension is an issue, I suppose, unless you're planning on doing it on your kitchen table or on a tiled floor. These aren't the biggest grooves in a tiled floor, but as you can see, it is hopping over them. But my sort of judge on these things is it any good? Does it make you smile? And it does. If it's a rainy day, it's something that you can play inside. Is it more for kids? Yeah, it's certainly not a hobby grade. Without a shadow of a doubt. Those that are wondering about the plastic barriers here, I'll put a link in the description below because they are very good. I'm going to order some more of them now that I know that they're good. Would be nice to do a whole track up on my roof. See, when it gets going, it is good at what it does. What's the brakes like? Yeah, good. Does it need to be four-wheel drive? Honestly, no. I think if they'd not done it four-wheel drive, you could have had more steering lock on it. Doesn't like going to the right, so is that because I've got it slightly set too far to the left? Let's have a look. So, right. Yeah, it's a little bit better. So you just need to make sure that your steering is central or centered, say it that way. So ladies and gents, what do you think of that footage? I'm a little bit on the fence about this one. It's great for kids. Would I be driving it myself? No, I don't think so. Just a little bit of housekeeping. This clip at the front wasn't in when I started the video. And I don't know when that's come out. That must have been when it fell down the stairs. Don't know when it did that, by the way. But I put the clip back in now, and that was before I started driving, because you see it's a lot more flush now as well. And also, I couldn't do the door handles because when I was cutting it with my Stanley knife, it went ping, and it's somewhere in the studio. So rather than just having one door handle, I have none. So, but it does come with door handles. Also, just one more little piece of information. If you see here, can you see that that's flashing there? That's to say that the car's not connected, so the battery's not plugged in or anything, because it is void of noticeable LEDs on that. Listen, for the price, I have to say it's worth it. It truly is. Would I be using it? No, I wouldn't, I don't think. It's great for kids, it truly is. But for me, they should drop the 4-wheel drive, go to 2-wheel drive, and make the steering lock just a little bit more, because that's just not good. You need a lot of throttle, i.e. full throttle, to get it into the slide. And as you saw, you actually need quite a lot of room. It was fine sort of in my kitchen, but the tiles in Malta, the floor tiles that we have specifically in this house, are actually really quite grippy. They're not a shiny tile because it's cement that's been shined. But the tiles that were in the garage at the end, they were a little bit more smooth, and you could see it was going a little bit more. You have to make sure that the steering's central for it to turn equally left and right. So buy it if you wish, for your kids, or maybe just for you on your, you know, if you want something for a rainy day. But as I said, please go for the 7.4 volt version. Links are in the description below. So thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, stay safe, take care. Bye bye.